Hello students, today we will do English Grammar chapter 8 and our topic is adjectives. So children, in class 1-2 you have learned about adjectives. Adjective describes noun. We call adjectives describing word also. Adjective is known as describing word also. So adjectives describe nouns. They tell us more about person, place, animals or things. Children, word which describe something are called adjectives. So all describing words are adjective. Adjectives describe adjective words. Adjectives are words that tell us more about noun. Adjective tells us what kind of noun, how many. So today we will learn kinds of adjective. In here, this chapter, only two types of adjectives are given. That is adjective of quality and adjective of quantity. So for example, adjective of quality. The foolish crow tried to sing. So what kind of crow? Quality of crow is foolish. So here adjective is foolish. This is called quality of adjective. Like Ashok was a kind man. Ashok is a kind man. So what kind of man is Ashok? Ashok is kind. So the quality of man is Ashok is kind. He has a fat dog. What kind of dog? Fat. So the quality of dog is fat. So these type of adjectives are called adjective of quality. Next we will see adjective of quantity. Quantity means how much, how many, like 5, some, enough, much, many. These all are adjective of quantity. Even numbers also see. The hand has 5 fingers. So how many fingers? 5. This is called adjective of quality. I ate some rice. Quality here, some. I have drank enough milk. So enough milk. How much milk? Enough. So adjective of quality, quantity is enough. Like that, she has much money. So much is quantity. So these are adjective of quality and adjective of quantity. Now in your book it is mentioned only quality and quantity. But I will tell you more about adjectives like adjective of demonstrative. Like this boy is strong. For close we use, near we use this. That boy is weak. For far we use that. These mangoes are sour. For more than one we use these. For plural we use these. And those mangoes are sour. For far and many we use those. If the thing is singular and near we use this. Thing is singular but far we use that. Thing is plural and near we use these, and the thing is far and more than one we use those. So here these, that, those, these are adjective of demonstrative. This, that, these, those. Adjective of demonstrative. Now we will learn what is adjective of interrogative. What kind of animal is this? It. So here what is interrogative? Whose pen is this? Here whose is interrogative. Which house is here hers? Here which is interrogative word. What, whose, which is interrogative. And adjective or possessive is my, our, his, your. These all are. This is my book. So this book is belong to me. My. This is called adjective or possessive. That is our school. Our is called adjective or possessive. His and your. These all are adjective of possessive. So in our book, see, we rode a red bus in London. So here what kind of bus? Red. So the bus is red. Red is kind of quality of adjective. Quality of bus is red. So here adjective is red. John is a kind man. What kind of man? The word kind tells us what kind of boy is John. It's described the kind of boy. The square table costs 2,000 rupees. So the word square tells us the shape of the table. It describes the noun table. So what kind of table is? Table is square. So square is quality of the table. So these all words are quality, adjective of quality. Adjective of quality. And adjective tells us about the special qualities of the noun kind. They also tells us about the color, shape, size of noun. Like we read square, large. So numbers too are adjective. Just now I told you our hand, like the hand has 5 fingers. So 5 is like here the rainbow has 7 colors. Here 7 is adjective of quality. The 2 sisters went to the market. Here 2 is quantity. Quantity is 2. So the adjective 7 and 2 describe the noun, colors and sister. These are called adjective of quantity. Like please put some sugar in the bowl. Some is quantity. The city of Bangalore has many gardens. So here many is quantity. So children, remember all this. 2 types of adjectives we have learned, quality and quantity. When you go to higher class, there you will learn more kinds of adjective.